This is Alex Rail Penny Redneck here. We have, way to go. We have Amtrak 92 departing Tampa. We're a little bit further out from the A line than we normally are, and so we're going to be seeing him go pretty fast. There he is right now. He's going fast. I think we're going to see how fast he's going. Good speed he's going. Alright, while Amtrak train 92 departs Tampa heading to New York, he's not at 80 miles an hour yet. Once he makes that turn, he's probably going to hit 80. Now we're going to be waiting for QO46 to come. Alex Rail Penny Redneck out.